All right, I'm new to these, so check it out. We're going to open this up and see how well these work. This is the ultimate match. Let's see what it does. So according to their information, you can open this up, soak it in water, because it has a waterproof container. Pull that ring. Don't put your finger over top of that. And that's going to last 2 minutes. It's intensive heat. It's going to burn in rain, snow, and get you a fire started whenever you need it. I guess it works. Get yours in the link. Check it out.